Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate objects in AutoCAD. So as you can see in this drawing, we are having these two couches around this coffee table, and what I want to do, I want them to be pointing towards center of coffee table as it is shown here. As you can see, those are rotated from the mid of the bottom of this couch. So we can do the same thing. The command for rotate is RO enter, or we can select this rotate command from here. After selecting command, it asks you to select objects. I'll select this object and I will press enter. Then it will ask you to specify base point. You can specify it anywhere, but in this case we need it to be here. What if I specify here? Then you will notice that my object is rotating around that point. The reason why it is rotating by 90 degrees is because my ortho mode is on. I'll turn that option off, and now you can see it is rotating freely. As I don't want to rotate around this point, I will right click and I'll select cancel. I will again issue the rotate command. I'll select this object, enter, base point, I will click here. Then it is mentioned 45, so it is going in downward direction. Now downward direction is clockwise because clock moves in this direction. In softwares, be it any software, the angle is considered counterclockwise. So if I specify 45, it will go like this. In order to make it like this, I'll need to specify minus 45, which you can read here, minus 45, enter. Same way we can rotate this object, enter, base point here. This time I will go with 45, enter. So there we have. That is how we rotate our object in AutoCAD. Now there are some advanced cases where you will not know the current rotation of object. What if you downloaded some block from the internet and the object came like this, and you want to make it vertical or horizontal? This is what is required. I want it to be vertical like this, but rotation is not known. This will be the scenario with you as well when you will download the readily available blocks from internet. And obviously you can check the angle, but most of the time it is in points like 20.55 or something like that. Rotating, first finding the angle and remembering that value and rotating that way is kind of time consuming. So in that scenario, what you can do is, after selecting rotate command, after selecting object, and after specifying base point, you can use the reference option. In reference, the reference angle will be this direction. As we are specifying direction, we can click anywhere here and anywhere on this line, because length is not the concern, the direction is. So it doesn't matter where you click, it is gonna take that direction. After that, you need to specify new angle, and the new angle is going to be 90. Enter. So that is how you rotate the object where angle of the object is not known or not given. I hope you guys understood what I explained in this video, and I also hope that this video helped you. If it did, you can also help me by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and by sharing this video. See you guys in next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to be awesome. Goodbye.